Hey guys, it's Apom here, and yeah, I've got a sore throat, kinda, so my voice might get a little scratchy, and yeah. But anyways, I am at my cousin's house. Yeah, and he just made a YouTube account. So, yeah, check out his videos. I helped him for his first one, and yeah. His username is DeadlyDeoxys. There will be a link over there in the sidebar. And also, I want all of y'all to subscribe to BlizzardMamoswine. He may have quit his plushie videos, but excuse me. But he's still got great animation videos, and he's about to reveal a big show, but he needs 400 subscribers, and as I'm making this video, he had 396. So yeah, subscribe to him. Yeah. So I'm Apom. Bye.